Hello! If you need to clear fallen leaves, grass trimmings or other small materials, we've got just the thing for you. This 2-stroke petrol engine backpack leaf blower weighs just 9 kilograms and has a handy multifunction control handle that makes it easy to use and adjust the power output midway through the job. It has a built-in anti-vibration system that helps reduce operator fatigue and runs off a mixture of petrol and 2-stroke mix, both of which can be purchased from your local HSS hire. We also advise that you wear ear defenders, gloves, goggles and safety boots when operating this machine. Before you start using the leaf blower, you'll need to fill the fuel tank and you may need to connect the air tube extension. To connect the air tube extension, simply push it on and turn it clockwise to lock it in place. Before filling the fuel tank, you'll need to mix the petrol and the 2-stroke fuel mix, following the guidelines on the bottle. You must combine the two before filling the tank, and you must not try to add the petrol and fuel mix separately. Next, look at the joystick and familiarise yourself with the controls. Here, you'll find an on-off switch, a normal throttle trigger, and fixed throttle control. The fixed throttle control allows you to set the engine speed without holding the throttle trigger. To start the engine, turn the on-off switch to the on position and fully close the choke if starting from cold, or set it to half closed if the engine is already warm. Now, set the fixed throttle control half on. Next, pull the starter cord a few times until the engine starts to turn over. Fully open the choke and pull the starter cord once and the engine should start. Finally, let the engine warm up, then set the fixed throttle control to the low position and leave the engine idling. To begin using the leaf blower, you'll need to lift the machine, place the harness straps on your shoulders, pull the ends of the straps down to tighten, and then adjust as necessary for comfort. Next, take the joystick in your right hand and either set the fixed throttle control to full throttle or squeeze the throttle trigger if you prefer more control. When using the blower, you should think carefully about the airflow direction. The fan is powerful enough to pick up heavy objects like stones, so be aware of other people and potential hazards such as glass windows and cars. You must never allow your hands to enter either end of the fan unit. If the fan should block, turn the unit off and unblock it with a suitable tool, not your hands. Take your time and don't overdo it. You are more likely to have an accident if you are tired or rushing. If you would like to learn more about our petrol-powered leaf blower, or would like to see our full range of tools and equipment available for hire, visit hss.com today.